just in time. Can you please get in the frame? Okay, fine, you don't have to do the frame. It's okay, I'll let you stay out of it. Let's see what we got. I like this color. Oh my god, does it go with my skin tone? I can't tell. Okay, it's pretty soft in the inside. I love the high collar. I think they call it a shacket, like a shirt jacket. Look at these little pockets. Okay, I love it. I love it. I love it. I haven't even tried it on. I have goosebumps. I love the high-low. This pleat in the back, I think it'll make it have nice movement when I'm walking. Oh my god, so soft. Even the smallest detail, I love the shape of these pockets. I love the collar. Oh my god. Seems like good material. It is such an easy piece to style. Look at the color. It has that structure. It just seems like you're so put together when you're wearing it. I don't know, maybe if I'm ever in London, I can wear this. Okay, we know now. Yes, go boot. Okay, I'm in desperate need of some straight leg black jeans or dad jeans, just something like that that I can wear with t-shirts. I like the material of this one. It seems quite thick. Yeah, there's like no stretch to it, so it seems high quality. I just love the back. See, why are these girls' pockets and why do guys' pockets fit like a ruler? Okay, next up, I got 3 plain cotton t-shirts, essential parts to your wardrobe, black, white, and a light heather gray. I think it's an awesome length. I can tuck it, I can leave it out if I want, and I like the neck on this. It's not a v-neck, but it's still high enough that I feel comfortable. Finally is a pair of chinos. I think it'll be pretty comfortable to wear, easy to throw on, and black goes with so many things in my wardrobe that having a pair that is comfortable, fits, and looks put together. I think chinos have a classy look to them. So I feel like I can just throw them on, but I still look like I have my life somewhat together. Okay. Oh, this is soft. Okay. I like the hem, the frilly detail on the sleeves and the bottom. Oh my god. I primarily want to use it for layering. Layering just makes the outfit more interesting and gives it more depth. Okay. See ya.